Go.
Oh! Oh yeah! Oh!
Hey, go forward, go forward! Now turn around. Bring the other way. Oh. Now go backwards, Matt. There you go. You got it. You got it. Oh.
Back up, Kurt. Move your... Kurt, you need to stand somewhere else. Don't stand right there, Kurt. Oh, I see pieces falling.
Okay, that's bad.
Turn around, Matt. Attack with the back.
No! Jack with the back!
There you go. There you go. There you go. Now go backwards.
Yeah!
There you go. Oh, you got it. You got a track. Go forward. Go forward. Now you're moving it, Matt. You gotta switch channels and go forward. Oh yeah, there's some big carnage. Yeah. Yeah, there's some big carnage. Ooh! You got one of our tracks too. Oh, you're done for now.
Oh, no.
What?
You lose the other track?
Kurt's done for, yep. The other track's gone.
Watch out.
Let's keep on going.
Can you push him off the mat?
Huh?
Push him off the...
No. Kurt, come here. Use your back thing to attack him. Lower your back thing. No, Kurt. Lower your back thing, or raise it.
Okay, just caught it. How? Wow, one of my things are taken off.
Yeah, they're both off.
No?
Oh. No, get away from it, Kurt.
I got it up here.
You got him hooked.
Kurt,
You gonna drag him
back up.
off? Back up and push him off.
What? That me?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hit me. Stop attacking.
He's excited.
I know.
His dad's doing it for me. Bye-bye.
Dad's doing it for you?
Bye-bye. Kids, you so awkward to do this.
Yeah, right over here.